Hello students, welcome back to English Literature Classes BA Part 1. Okay, today our topic is why does Shakespeare say love is not time's fool? Okay, so without wasting much time, we should start this video on this topic. Okay student, according to Shakespeare के अनुसार true love is not subject to decay with the passing of time. शेक्सपियर के अनुसार ट्रू लव इज नॉट सब्जेक्ट टू डिके विद द पासिंग ऑफ टाइम. देखिए, जो सच्चा प्रेम होता है वो कभी भी समय के साथ नष्ट नहीं होता. एवरीथिंग डिके एंड डाई बाय द पावर ऑफ टाइम, बट ट्रू लव कांट डिके बाय द पावर ऑफ टाइम. लव इज इमॉर्टल लाइक ह्यूमन सोल. ट्रू लव क्या होता है? इमॉर्टल होता है, अमर होता है, लाइक ए ह्यूमन सोल, जैसे मानव की आत्मा होती है. इट डज नॉट डिसअपियर विद डिक्लाइन ऑफ द फिजिकल ब्यूटी. ओके, इट डज नॉट डिसअपियर विद डिक्लाइन ऑफ द फिजिकल ब्यूटी. ही डिक्लेयर्स दैट ट्रू लव इज एवरलास्टिंग. वह ये डिक्लेयर करते हैं कि ट्रू लव इज एवरलास्टिंग. सच्चा प्रेम जीवन के अंत तक रहता है. एक्सपेक्ट ट्रू लव देयर इज नथिंग एक्सेप्ट ट्रू लव देयर इज नथिंग. सच्चे प्रेम के अलावा देयर इज नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं है पृथ्वी पर. यहाँ पृथ्वी पर कुछ भी नहीं है. दैट मीन्स जो याद रखा जाए. ट्रू लव इज इम्पेरिशेबल. ट्रू लव क्या है? इम्पेरिशेबल. टाइम इज द ग्रेटेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयर. टाइम इज द ग्रेटेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयर. समय सबसे बड़ी ताकत है, क्योंकि समय के साथ हर चीज़ नष्ट हो जाती है एक दिन. बट ट्रू लव इज बियॉन्ड द रेवेज ऑफ टाइम. लेकिन सच्चा प्रेम समय से भी परे है. फिजिकल ब्यूटी इज ओनली ए 9 days वंडर. फिजिकल ब्यूटी, क्योंकि शारीरिक सुंदरता जो है वो केवल 9 दिन के लिए है, समझ लीजिए. ठीक है, ये एक तरीके से वंडर है. रोजी चिक्स एंड कोरल लिप्स कैन नॉट मेंटेन देयर चार्म फॉर एवर. रोजी लिप्स, कोरल चिप्स, ये हमारी लाइफ में हमेशा के लिए मेंटेन नहीं रह सकती. मतलब हमेशा के लिए हमारे पास रोजी लिप्स और कोरल रोजी चिक्स और कोरल लिप्स कैन नॉट मेंटेन देयर चार्म फॉर एवर. यह आकर्षण हमेशा के लिए नहीं रह सकता है, बिकॉज इट्स ए टाइमसिकल and it can destroy by the power of time. But true love can't destroy by the power of time. Okay? True love has divine power, therefore it should not be afraid of worldly dangers. Okay? And true love is a fixed, like the mark of danger on the bridge of a deep river in case of tempest, or looks at the red mark and fear with the rising water that more and more towns shall be flooded with water. People fear and their hearts are shaken, but the mark remains unshaken. In the same way, seeing lovers in dangers, people fears, but the true lovers remain fearless, for their hearts are filled with divine courage and patience. True love guides and brings back on the right path all those who go astray. No violent power can ever succeed in winning their hearts, but it is the power of true love that inspires them to give up their unlawful activities to come back in the general current of human society. It shows he imagines very high of true love. True lovers have always faced worldly obstacles with great courage and patience. Being divine, true love is changeless and immortal. If any changes appears in a lover, undoubtedly his or her love is not true. For true love has divine power that defeats the worldly powers of the destroyer. Shakespeare's concept of true love is sublime. It is a matter of soul. It is a matter of soul rather than body. ओके, ये आत्मा का मैटर है, ना कि शरीर का. ओके. True love can't be changed in any condition. If it changes, it is not true. If it is afraid of worldly difficulties, it is not true love. True love is not subject to decay. It is immortal like human soul. It does not disappear with decline of the physical beauty. He declares that true love is everlasting. Except true love, there is nothing on earth that remains. True love is imperishable. Time is the greatest destroyer, but true love is beyond the ravages of time. Physical beauty is only a 9 days wonder, rosy lips, rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks, and coral lips cannot maintain their charm forever. In Greek mythology, time is portrayed as farmer with a bending sickle in hand, who reaps the harvest of life and never tires of his work. Shakespeare makes a superb use of these ideas to expose the divine nature of true love. Time is the greatest destroyer, but true love is beyond the destructions of time. Physical beauty is the source of attraction, but true love binds soul forever. Okay. True love remains unchanged in spite of all obstacles. Only false love changes with the passing of time. True love is firm and changeless. Shakespeare uses poetic imagery to stress his viewpoint. True love is firm like a lighthouse on the seashore. It saves ship from accidents and shows it is right way in the deadly tempest. It is never shaken. The poet uses another imagery of the pole star. It guides ship in the middle of the sea. The heights of the pole star from the earth may be calculated, but its importance for sailors is unknown. In the same way, the value of love cannot be measured. True love has a divine power. Okay. True lovers have always faced worldly obstacles with great courage and patience. Okay. If a lover fears a worldly enemy, it is sure his or her love is not true. For true love has a divine power that defeats the worldly power of destroyer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.